How to rename your email address in DirectAdmin. We assume you have already logged into your DirectAdmin account. In the Email Manager section, click Email Accounts. From this interface, you can manage your email accounts. Here it displays the list of email accounts. Click the plus sign of that particular email account you wish to rename. Click the Change Password Username option. Replace the old username with a new username. You can manually enter the new password or use this password generator. Click that password generator icon. Click Save. Copy and save the new username and password. That's it. We have successfully updated our email account. Thank you for watching.